True or false? A line drawn through midpoint of a side of a triangle parallel to another side is equal to the third side. This is totally false. The theorem is the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. That is one way of saying the theorem, or other way of saying it is, here this theorem can also be said that a line drawn through midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side, means to BC, bisects the third side. So this is also another way of saying it. It's one and the same. So A is false. Now B. Diagonals of a parallelogram are perpendicular to each other. That's false, because diagonals of parallelogram only bisect each other. So this chart is totally useful to you. It shows that sides, angles, diagonals and formulae, rectangle, square, parallelogram, rhombus and trapezium. Now this diagonals bisect each other. For parallelogram, tick mark, yes, so they bisect each other. Bisect perpendicularly, for parallelogram, wrong, so they do not. For rhombus, both are there. For square, both are there. For rectangle, perpendicularly is not there. Similarly, you can check out for others also. All four angles of a quadrilateral can be obtuse. False. See here, either each one can be 90, or if one of them, one or two are obtuse, the other need to be acute. All of them cannot be obtuse, because otherwise what happens? What is obtuse? Greater than 90. Everyone will be greater than 90. Then total will be greater than 360. Is it possible for the quadrilateral? No. If all the sides of a quadrilateral are equal, it is a rhombus. That is true. See this chart again. Sides, rhombus, all sides are equal, tick mark.